Political advocacy and involvement is extremely important for financial advisors and insurance agents for three reasons. Number one, you really do get to shape policy. You get to shape ideas. One great example I have is in Texas, and this was actually my first ever experience of um, doing advocacy. Is I was with our local lobbyists, and we were trying to reframe continuing education credits and fines and fees. And I was sitting in there with the chairman of the insurance committee. We were talking about the bill. I shared my personal experience and how it had affected me. And the chairman was like, "I'm all for it. How do you want to do it? You know, how do you want to unify all the renewal dates and stuff like that?" Because at the time, if you had multiple licenses, you had multiple renewal dates, and so you could forget something easily. And I'm like, I don't know. He's like, "Let's just do it by your birthday." And the reason why that was interesting to me was like, that's how the legislation got passed. That's how it got written in. We put the date of the birth date, and now it's on your birth date. All licenses renew. And so it was just very interesting that that's how advocacy kind of works, and you really have that ability. The second reason is probably the most important, but it is for your clients. Um, your clients obviously can go up there and meet with their particular rep and so on and so forth about certain bills and certain information because any constituent can do that. But when you as a financial advisor develop that relationship with a congressional rep or a U.S. senator or your state rep, state senator, and they actually call you prior to a bill going to committee or going to vote, and they ask you questions about it. Hey, what do you think? What are the unintended consequences? That you are now advocating for 300, 400, 600 clients because that's how many clients you have, and they're asking your opinion on this, and you're really, advocating that. And then, I think the third reason is it makes you better as an advisor or as an agent because you really do kind of have to understand what the issues are, the unintended consequences, look at all the different things that are going on, and really make decisions. I You really do become more involved that way.